Alright, so I'm going to try and let's go ahead and record on the thing. Alright, so now we're going to try some of the various functions of this drone. So let's go ahead and get takeoff. Okay.
Home point updated.
So it's taken off. Now let's rotate it around so it sees me. Okay. So now I am the focal point. All right. Active track is on. So now it should be following me. Okay. See if we can get to do some various stunts. All right, so let's do quick shots. So let's first do the droney. Go. This is called the droney. Tap the plus or draw a box around the subject. So I tap the plus and I say go.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so let's see, I'm not understanding. Oh, there we go. Now it's finally doing it. Wow. It's getting up there. It's at 112 feet. Let's do the circle.
3, 2, 1.
Now it should circle me. Okay, I hope it doesn't hit that tree. So it's detecting the tree,
1.
and it's stopping. It's like I can't do it. Okay, I made it go closer to me, so now it's not in the way of the tree. So let's try the circle again. Okay, and go.
3, 2, 1.
All right, now it should be clear to do it. So circling me. Okay, that was good. Okay, so we did the circle good. Let's see, here's the helix. This one looks pretty cool. Okay, helix, go.
2, 1.
And helix, what's the helix doing? It's going the other way. I think it does more of like a weird spiral thing or something. I don't think there's anything you can do to set these perimeters for like further away or closer or anything. Okay, it says it's returning now. Alright, I think it's almost done. Okay, so that was the helix. Now let's see. Oh, the asteroid. This one looks cool. Yeah, now check this one out. Alright, asteroid. Oh, here I go. Put myself on the focal. Asteroid. Go! This one's awesome. I like this one. Should go real high up in the air and then shoot down towards me like an asteroid. Let me try that droney again, because it's like I couldn't get it to work last time. At least I think it did. Hit droney. All right, go.
2, 1.
Okay. Don't hit the trees behind you, dude. Hey, Shadow. Hey there, little guy. Let's tell it to go home. Return to home. See if it'll land back on the cardboard or
Return to
not.
home.
Now watch it go up in the air because I got the elevation for return to home. Well, I was told, I thought it had like 100 and some feet, but I guess if it's close by, it won't do that. Yeah. It's not gonna quite be 100% accurate. Not bad though for GPS. You're talking within just a couple feet. Yeah, not bad.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
Not bad, not bad. That's pretty good. What do you think, Shadow? We should let's put a new, let's see, we're at 34%. Let's go ahead and take off again. Let's just try the follow again.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Here, Bubs. Okay. Hang on, Shadow. Okay, so now it's got me in the picture. Come here. Okay, we're there. We'll do active track and say follow. All right. Come on. Huh? This way. Oh, he's gonna drop a deuce. Back on, Bubby. He got all excited.
Return to home.
All right. This is
Landing.
how accurate it is. It's still off. You know what? It's not bad though overall. Here we're about a yard off. Not too bad. That was pretty good. What do you think, Bubby? Is that good? All right, now let's just do some freestyle.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
This is pretty cool. Am I not recording any of this? Dang it.